仲間を大切しないやつはそれ以上のクソだ。うわWhat's up mga Hitsuraang, mga choy ug chay? This is Kakashi Sensei and welcome back to another HK tutorials. And today's tutorial is all about Japanese time. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Hitsuraang Kulisaw YouTube channel. And let's get into it. Let's go. So let's open Photoshop. Okay, Japanese time. Nanji desu ka? So what time is it? Okay, so how you write 1 o'clock in Japanese? That's I Chi Ji. 1 o'clock. 2 is Ni, so you just have to add Ji. Simple. Ni Ji. So 3 is Sang. Sang. Therefore Sang Ji. Simple. 4 is Yong, so Yong. But you can say Yongji. You can't say Yongji. Yongji Ji only. 4 o'clock is Yoji. So how you write 5 o'clock in Japanese? Simple. 5 is Go. Go Ji. 6 is Roku. だから6時 6時 7時 you can say that one 7 しちじ 7時 okay, so 8 is 8 therefore じ 8時 okay, so how you write 9 o'clock? 9 o'clock is special, so you have to say ku, not Q. Q, G, no, ダメ. 9 o'clock is ku, ji, 9時. 10 o'clock is ju, 10時. 11 is ju, 11 is ju. Ichi, you just have to add G. 11時 12 o'clock. So 12 is Ju. Ju ni Ji. Ju ni Ji. I mean 12:30 a.m. So how you say 12:30 a.m.? AM is Go. Then Ju ni ni 30 is Hang or Sangjupun or Hang 1時半 2時半 3時半 4時半 5時半 6時半 7時半 8時半 9時半 10時半 30 is Han. Okay? AM is Gozen. 4:30 p.m. How you read that one? How you say that one? That's Go. Okay? AM is Gozen. PM is Go. Okay? That's why 4:30 p.m. is Go. Yong Ji Han. Go 4時半 I ちっちゃいつぶ1分 2 minutes is simple. That's ni. You cannot say pun because 2 is special, so that's fun. Ni fun. Okay, that's sang. Pun. sang, pen. Okay, so 4 is yong, pen. Yong pen. 5 is go, fen. Go fen. 6 is ro, chichaitsu, pen. Pen. Rock pen. How you write 7? That's na, fen. Nana fen. How about 8? So this is special. That is ha. Chichaitsu, pen. Happen. So 9 is Q, fen. Q fen. Okay, so how you write 10 minutes? That's ju, chichaitsu, 10分. Okay, 10分. Simple. Okay, so 1, that's I, 1分. 1分. 2, 2分. 3, 3分. 3分. Okay, 3, 3分. 4, 4分. 4分. 5, 5分. Okay, 6, 6, ちっちゃいつ6分. Okay, 6分. 7, that's 7分. Okay, 8, 8, ちっちゃいつ分. 8分. 9, 9分. 10, 10, ちっちゃいつ10分. Okay, 10分. Okay, 24 minutes. That's simple. 24 minutes is 2, 10, 20, 4, 4 is 分でしょ。24分 24分 31 minutes. So that's 3, 10, I. You cannot say 31 minutes, 31分. So that's ちっちゃいつ分. 31分. How about 6? 46 minutes. So how you say 46 minutes? Simple. That's 4, 10, 40, 40, 로, ちっちゃいつ分. 46分. 6 is 6分でしょ。6分 46分. Okay, so 58, that's 5, 10, 50, 8, 8, ちっちゃいつ8分. 58分. Okay, 60 minutes is 6, 10, 60, ちっちゃいつ分. 60分. And that's it for today's tutorial, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope to see you guys in the next HK tutorials. This is Kakashi Sensei on behalf of Hitsuraang Kulisaw signing off. Peace.